Good morning. It is the 18th of September and currently the time is 9:01. I usually wake up by this time and I'm just going to make my bed and I'll see you in a little bit. So I know my face is not visible much. That's because I don't switch on the light as soon as I wake up. So this is how it's going to be for a little while and then I'll switch on the light. Now as you can see, the bed is made and now I need to go do my daily chores. I need to wash my face, brush my teeth, sit for breakfast, do my morning skincare and all that. So yeah, let's keep going. The first thing I'm going to do is wash my face with my favorite Himalaya Neem face wash. And then I'm going to start brushing my teeth because my skin is oily and I don't like brushing my teeth without like removing the oil on my face, and then I start brushing my teeth. So now we're going to do some morning skincare. I've actually kept you in my vanity. Like I've stacked up my foundation and my highlighter and I've kept you. But anyway, stay there till we finish our morning routine. So my morning routine usually starts with this. I have my bag. So it starts with this. This is the Revitalift, L'Oreal Paris Crystal Revitalift. I'm sure you would have seen many bloggers use it and advertise it, but this actually does work. So I'm taking some between my hands, 4 drops, and then just tapping it inside my face. Like I can see the dark area around my face, around my mouth, it's just disappeared. So that is a really good thing. After tapping that in and letting it sit for like maybe 30 seconds, I'm going to use a moisturizer on my face because my skin has been acting really weird lately. So I don't know, sometimes it's very oily. When I wake up it's oily usually, but then after I wash my face it's very dry. So I'm going to use this Venusia moisturizer on my face. I'm using very little because my face tends to get oily very soon. I told you, I don't know what's up with my face. After this, I let this also sit for another 30 seconds or so, and then I go in with this spray. I think I've mentioned this spray a million times in my videos. This is the Khadi Gold cucumber spray. I lost the bottle, so that's all I've got. So I'm just going to spritz this all over my face. So now while that dries, I am going to go to the kitchen, see what mom's made for breakfast, and I'll let you guys know. Now I'm gonna ask mom what's for breakfast. That's Gandhi praying, dad eating. He has a meeting at 9:30. So mommy, what's cooking here?
Hi.
What's
Dosa
cooking?
Dosa made of green gram dal.
So today is pacha pair dosa in Tamil, but in normal language it is green gram dal. Yeah.
It's more like a pesaret of Andhra.
Yeah. So that's what we're going to have for breakfast. I think after eating I'll have to run some errands. I have to meet an old school teacher also. So I think I will be vlogging that time. I don't really know, but let's see how the day goes. It is currently 9:22 right now. I'm just figuring out what to eat because I don't like green gram dosa. So I'm thinking whether to eat bread or should I have something else. And I also have to leave the house by 10. It's already 9:30. So I don't know what to do. So I have bread. I'm too lazy to get up, make the bread. I don't know what that sound is. Oh my god. I think there's something going on in their house. So yeah, sorry for that disturbance. So yeah, let's see. I'll probably make bread and eat. Just making myself some bread. I'm having 2 slices of bread. One is already done. I'm going to have peanut butter and jam in this because that's how I like it with aloo bhujia. Peanut butter and jam. I'm going to mix it in a ball and then spread it on my bread. This is my sandwich with peanut butter. My mom's getting me aloo bhujia from not this. It is my dabba. So my mom's not getting me aloo bhujia because she can't reach the top floor. So I'll have to go get myself. I have aloo bhujia here. Trust me, peanut butter, jam and aloo bhujia are a deadly combination. Like, I love it because I'm a person, if you would have seen Who Knows Me Better Mom or Dad video, I'll link it down if you haven't. My mom says that I like sweet and savory together. Like, if I have something sweet, I need something savory, and if I have something savory, I need something sweet. Don't mind the kitchen cooker because obviously morning work and all. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go get to eating right now. Look who's here to give me company for breakfast. Gandhi. Say hi, Gandhi. Say hi. Show your hand so that they'll know you're saying hi. I'm back to my vanity. Before I go out, I like to do a little bit of makeup. I'm just going to use concealer only on my under eyes. I know you can't see, it's very bad lighting, but I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'll try. Wait 1 second. I'll just try to do something. It's better right now. I know the shadow is kind of annoying, but I've put concealer here and I'm just gonna dab it inside my skin with my hands. I don't know why I am not using a mirror, but okay. After applying it there, I'm also gonna apply it here a little bit because I really have hyperpigmentation over there, really. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to set it on with a powder, everything in its place. And I think the time is 9:55 and I'm very late. I need to like literally leave my house at 10 so that I at least reach there by 10:30. But I was doing college work before this and I was eating, and I'm a very slow eater. So that's that. And yeah. Last, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I can't see. I can try though. Have a mirror there. It's not attached, but thoda sa it is, like I can see it types. This one, I'm gonna put a little, very little amount of mascara. Very little. By the way, this is my new mascara. This is the Rimmel Lux Wonderlux mascara. I don't know if it's pronounced as Lux or Lux, but anything, either way, it's your pronunciation. Finally, all I'm going to do is apply my blush, just so that it gives like a natural look. In this, I don't have to think that I'm going wrong with the color because it is very subtle. So it does not go wrong much. So that is it for the look. I won't be wearing a lipstick because I'm anyway going to cover my face with a mask. So I just want like my eyes to be enhanced. So I just put up some mascara, some concealer and a little bit of blush. So this is the final look. I'm not going to put highlighter or anything. So yeah, let's get going. I need to change my clothes and I'll be right back. Actually left and it is very late. It is 10:12. I have 2 bags, this and my sling, and my mom's even giving me a thela because I need to buy vegetables after I meet my teacher. So yeah, I have a lot of things to do. In case I don't vlog when I meet my teacher, I'll probably vlog when I buy vegetables. So let's see you then. I'll probably be calling my brother Rushabh, if you would have seen him from one of my videos. So I'll probably be calling him to help me. And yeah, I'm going to stop vlogging now because I'm going to go drive right now. So yeah, see you on the other side. Sitting in the car waiting for the engine to cool, and I'm just letting you guys know it's 10:15. I'm late. I'm 15 minutes late, and yeah, I'm gonna drive now. Bye bye. Currently 10:52, and it's been, I think, 10 minutes since I've been searching for parking, and I finally found parking like 2 streets away from my teacher's place. So I'm gonna go, and I don't think I'll be able to vlog. So yeah, I'll see you when I go grocery shopping. I finished my grocery shopping. It's behind, and as I told you, I got him with me because I obviously need help. I have to give these to my mom, and then me and Rishabh are off to Mylapore, I guess, because my mom needs a pop socket. So we'll get going. So right now it is 3:19, and I don't think this is a a morning morning routine video. It looks more like a full day vlog. So anyway, I came home, I put aloe vera gel on my hair because I started getting dandruff. I don't know how, so I did that. And before this, what I was doing is I went to Winner's Bakery. I had to get molaga podi powder for my mom. I had to buy vegetables. I had to find a pop socket for my mom. Then I had to go to Prestige. Had a lot of work. Came back. I'll show you what all my Nykaa order came today. I'll do a mini haul kind of a thing, and I'll show you what all I got from Winner's Bakery. I couldn't vlog when I went to those places is because I don't usually like using my phone when I'm in public, like because of this COVID. Because bacteria and all that. So anyway, let's dive into my Nykaa mini haul. So the first thing that arrived is this Maybelline concealer. I've finally ordered the right shade. I got Sand, which is a little lighter than my skin, but I like using it for like a highlighting concealer. Next is this Color Bar Perfect Match Primer Water in Quench Me. It has a beautiful packaging. Just look at how pretty this looks. It is blue, and I think this is a glass bottle. I don't really know. This is how it looks. It is blue, and it has like a piss kind of a spritzing thing here going on. And it came inside this. So I am thinking it is a glass dabba. The items are 3 lipstick which I've gotten my hand on. I got like 2 Maybelline lipsticks. I bought these 2, and I got this free. So let's first talk about this. This is the Hot Chili. This is the one I got free. Hot Chili 632. This is the first red color, like a hot red color I like on myself. It actually does look really pretty. The next one is this Mysterious Mocha. Mysterious Mocha. This is such a beautiful nude shade. I can't tell you. I mean, it is perfect for like my lips. It's like a nude my lips but better. It's such a beautiful color for like light skin tone. It is a beautiful color. Last one is the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade Best Babe. Yeah, it is Best Babe. I don't think you can see it. Yeah, it is Best Babe. And I don't know, I'm not really liking this color because it has a very fluorescent kind of a tint to it. I'll show you in a minute. I expected this shade, the Best Babe, the Maybelline one, to be a little more a mauvey tone. I didn't expect it to be like an orangish fluorescent color on my lips, but I'll try and work this out with other lipsticks also, like a combination of other 2 or more lipsticks probably. Yeah, I'll do that, and then I'll let you guys know. And also, if you want like a review of all these products, or if you want to see me use it in a video, please do let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, let's go on to the last product, which is my favorite. I have the K Beauty Illuminating Highlighter. I wanted this for such a long time, and I finally got my hands on it. This is how the highlighter looks. It has like a mini mirror. I'm using my phone to film, and it also has a a display here. Not a display, I don't exactly know what you say. What is this called? Like a protective cover on top.
and I haven't swatched it yet. I don't know how this came. I haven't swatched it yet, but the outer packaging is really pretty. I'm in the shade Frosted Eyes, if you're wondering. There, it's right there, Frosted Eyes. And yeah, I mean, just look at the packaging. It's rose gold and it's just perfect. And this also comes with a packaging of like cushiony covers, so which is a good thing that the product does not get damaged. I think that's it for today's vlog. I am so sorry I was not able to keep up with today's things. I mean, like a morning routine, but it at least became like a half day routine. So anyway, please do subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, share it with how many other people you can. If you want me to make more vlogs like this, you can definitely let me know in the comments down below. DM me on Instagram. Also follow me on my Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, let's see you soon in a new video very soon. Bye guys. Love you all. Keep supporting. Bye.